In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Welcome to my channel. Today we want to talk about how can I configure static net. First, packet your routers. Second, give public IP address and private IP address to both routers. And third, use static net. Now we want to. This is first router and the second router. And I want to configure the first router and after that I will configure the second router. It's a fresh router. Interface, I want to give IP to serial, Swiss, Brazil, IP address, 1.1.1, 255.0, no shutdown, and yet, interface, serial, probably the chloride. Now I want to exit, interface, false ethernet 0/0, I want to give IP to the false ethernet port. After that, I want to configure this router and I want to configure this one. No, and connect the interface serial 0/0 IP address 1.1.1.2.2.0.2 no shutdown, then it's a DTL interface false ethernet 0/0 IP address 20.0.1. And after that I want to give IP to this network computer, and after that I will give to another 10.0.0.2 and default gateway is 10.0.0.1. When I give an IP, and also I want to give an IP to this computer 3.0.0.2 and default gateway is 10.0.0.1. And now I want to ping the 10.0.0.2 to see that is it connected or not. 10.0.0.2. If you look at it's not connected, it gives a destination host eligible. I want to connect this this router with this router. For this I want to use a protocol router reg network 10.0.0.0 network 1.1.1. And after that, oh sorry, I forget version 2. And after that I want to come to this router and configure protocol router reg network 10.0.0 network 1.1.2 and version 2. And after that I want to configure this computer to see the connectivity. If you look at it, maybe it will give you a response from this computer. This time out, it will give a replay. Yes, it will give a replay. Now I want to see it again. Yeah, it will give a replay from 10.0.0.2. If you look at it, this area 10.0.0.2, this is a private IP. Now I want to convert private IP to public IP by static netting. Why? For that, to protect our lane environment from unrecognized people and from hackers and from those people. I want to use a static netting. I want to reform it and I want to convert 10.0.0.2 to 10.0.0.1 convert in 1.1.2. Yeah. Before everything, I want to use interface false ethernet 0/0. I want to use that net inside, and I want to click on it. And I want to convert it to serial or interface 0/0/0 net outside. Market out from the serial ports. And after that, I want to write this computer also interface 0/0 outside, and I want to confirm it interface false ethernet. Inside. When I write that, after that I want to convert this router, write IPNet inside source static convert 10.0.0.1 to 1.1.1.2 10.0.0.1 convert to 1.1.1.2. And after that I want to write 10.0.0.2 convert to 10.0.0.3, and after that I want to write 10.0.0.4 convert 10.0.0.4. Now I want to check that from this router, from this computer, maybe it will convert a private IP into public IP, which is also 1.1.1.2. Yeah, I want to write 10.0 ping. Now it's the response to this. Just now I want to check that 10.0.0.2. If you look at it, will convert to public IP, or it will convert from private to public IP. This is also static netting, and this is the use of static netting. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting. Please support me and subscribe me and like and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching.